Hey man, at this point, I'm honestly not surprised at all when Nike has up their sleeve, man. Another one of them Kobe's, another one of them ones that everybody wants, and they only drop 40,000 on the shock drop, bro. I don't know what to say, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping in to today's video. You know I gotta come up on YouTube and see how the Vintage Squad done today, bro. I gotta know how y'all did for the Reverse Grinch Kobe 6s today. Let me know if you got a W, a L. Let me know what you think about today's release, bro. Probably one of the weirdest shock drops because nobody knew the time. Nobody knew when it exactly was gonna happen. Usually, you know, as far as Jordans and stuff like that, we know the time, we know the date, we know when, where, all that stuff. Before these Kobe 6 Grinches or Reverse Grinches, it was a totally different story, man. And I went ahead and, you know what I'm saying, went on Twitter, went on IG, seen all the W's over on those two different apps. And I'm telling you, it was a lot of W's of people I know. And of course, you know what I'm saying, it was one of them meme emojis we smiled on the outside, but you're like, damn, wish I got a pair on the inside, man. But nonetheless, bro, shouts to everybody that did get a W. I ain't salty, I ain't hating. I literally only hoop in Kobe's. I don't wear Kobe's to dress in or anything like that. It don't fit my style. But back when I was hooping, bro, I used to love hooping in Kobe's. You can ask anybody I know, they know hooping Kobe's or Jordan 10. And if you did hit today, man, you got one of them lovely got 'em screens like that, man. Reverse Grinch Kobe's, bro. Would have been nice to have them, bro. Definitely would have been nice to have them. I don't have any Kobe's in the collection, not one. Zero, zelts, none of that. But it is a second opportunity for all of us to grab the Reverse Grinch Kobe's, bro. It will be releasing December the 15th, a regular drop, no shock drop, no ear, nothing like that. So you guys have another shot to grab anything. And I kind of want to check the resale value real quick, man. Let's just see what they hitting for right now. I know they probably gonna be super high because I mean 40,000 shock drop today. When you look at like shock drops like the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes or, you know, EAs for the 11 Gratitudes or, you know, general release sneakers, they're gonna be pretty low. But as far as these Kobe 6s, look at this first thing on StockX, bro. The first thing up on StockX. So let's go ahead, click these things, see what they hitting for, man. So yes, the prices is they pricey, bro. Them prices is pricing for size 9. I'm gonna just show y'all the front screen, bro. Just look at that, bro. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see that $1,000 over there, bro. You just know the price is going to be high, but it could drop, bro. The prices could tend to drop. Who knows with, I'm hearing like 400,000 pairs of them dropping overall, but you never know how that might fluctuate the resale value. So of course, I would definitely tell you guys wait, because let's see what a size 9. Actually, I would get a size 9.5 in these Kobe's. They're going for $600, bro. $600. That's more than what I want the J Balvin 3s. I want other releases like that before a Kobe 6 Reverse Grinch, bro. You gotta pay $600 out the door. That's not including taxes, fees, anything like that, shipping. And they gonna be hitting us over the head, bro. And I already know, bro, when it comes to the release date, the price might drop a couple of hundred. It might be 100. It might drop 100. But other than that, I don't see these dropping anywhere past 400, bro. They ain't going under 400. I don't think so. Unless you just drop a ridiculous amount of pairs, like maybe that 400,000 pair thing might look good, bro. It might look good to the public, but as far as, you know, the bots, as far as the resellers, as far as the backdooring, you might only see about 200,000 of them pairs actually getting, you know, filtrated to the actual consumers of the sneakers. Gonna be wearing them. It's gonna be hooping in them. And that's not even considering all the Nike athletes that they got to give these Reverse Grinches to. So it's going to be a hell of a release. I'm going to tell you guys that. I just seen how the shock drop went. They did a raffle shock drop. It was a raffle shock drop. You got to put it, you know, so put your submission in, put your size and all that good stuff. And yeah, and I heard that you're not supposed to go in right at the drop time, supposed to wait a little bit, because they said the first people to enter is bots. I don't know how true that is, but you guys can let me know your little algorithm, your tricks that you use as far as entering on raffles, bro. Do you wait a couple minutes? Do you enter right when it opens up? Do you close the app out? Do you keep it open? Let us know all your little tricks and tips down below in the comment section, because me myself, bro, I'm super interested in knowing. I was going on a little hot streak from September to late October. Now I feel like I ain't been hitting on anything, bro. But that's, you know, it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Definitely been dope to get a pair of Kobe 6 Grinches, you know what I'm saying? Would have been nice to get that actual Gotham screen, not a screenshot from Twitter, IG. But it is what it is, bro. Let me know if you did hit on this shock drop down below in the comment section. Super interested in knowing. Again, like I said, we have a second opportunity, December the 15th, a week after, a couple days after the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude drop. This one right here will go down as one of the ones, bro. I think so. I did check the resale value on these, and these joints is going for the low ski, bro, that low ball. Like I'm telling you, I didn't know a lot of resale value of these at all. They already going for under retail, and I think these will be retailing for $225 or $250, one of the two, super high. But it's an Air Jordan 11, Christmas time, people gonna buy them. Nike gonna make their money regardless. It don't matter if they sit, don't have to go to outlets. They gonna get their money from these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man. And same with the Kobe 6 reverse Grinches, bro. They don't care what happens to them, bro. As long as they push their product out, they market it right, they gonna have all the people trying to get a pair of these reverse Grinches, especially them huge Kobe fans, man. You're gonna see one of your fellow sneakerheads rocking these joints, you know what I'm saying, looking fresh. But me, like I said, I don't wear them like as far as outfit. Might wear them down, like say for instance, I'm got on some pair of joggers, or like a little light tee or something like that. Nothing crazy. I might throw in a pair of Kobe's or a pair of Bronze. But as far as me styling, like dressing, y'all know, man, that ain't me at all, bro. Yeah, man, I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Didn't want to keep this one too long. This was super interesting seeing how everybody did on the shot drop. Me, I ain't gonna be salty, bro. I did take an L, but you can't win them all, bro. You can't win them all. At this point in my life that I know I can't take a W every single time. You gotta take L's in order to, you know what I'm saying, get that W eventually and make it feel a little bit better, bro. But it would have been nice to get a pair of these reverse Grinches. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. I will be going live a lot more here for the next couple weeks, man. I can't wait. We got some crazy stuff lined up. So make sure you hit the notification bell ASAP Rocky, man. Leave a huge like before you slide out of today's video. And with all that being said, man, your boy The Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.